Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to get the repository by the forking and how to do the changes on that forked code and how to push to this branch, how to generate the pull request. So beginning is forking. See, after forking we get the repository name and to our username, means our repository list like this. Then you can add the description if you want, then creating the fork. Okay, see, after your username the repository will came. So this is the forking is happening. The code is in our repository list. Then we need to clone the code. See, taking some testing dictionary. Forking is completed. Then need to clone it. So need to copy this code URL. Then paste git clone and the URL. So the code is forked. Next we need to add our details like configuration details. Those are username and email. Say this is the git config global user name is yours Nataraj. It is added. Then we need to add the email also. Git config global user email. Your email address. User. Okay. Dollar is more. Removing the dollar. Then mail also added. You can check it. Git config list like git config -l. You will get the username and email. See this. This is added. The next we need to add the branch cd/n is we getting into the code. Git branch main branch is there. We need to check out with the new branch like git checkout/b profile is the new branch name. Shift it to the new branch profile. So then whatever branch you want you can use in the place of profile. Then see, you can get the details of branches by the git branch. Okay, we need to add the upstream. See here above we already added the automatically added the origin. Now we are added the upstream by the git remote add upstream URL. Then the upstream is added. You can check the details of the origin and upstream by the git remove -v. See, origin upstream is added. Okay. The next we need to pull the code. Whichever branch you want to pull from the upstream, you can use like this. Git pull URL contributors. So contributors code is came to here. So you can So that code in the your folder where you are done the changes. See HTML. See, this is the HTML, and I am removing this code, CSS code. So for this CSS, we are adding some new file like this styles.css. We will see. See the next. See here only index.html is there. I am going to add the CSS. Make directory CSS. Then directory is created. The next adding C. Enter to the CSS. Then creating one CSS file styles.css. See, in this file I paste the code which I copied in the HTML. That is the code here. So saving this file, save it. Then next we need to add this code to our origin like this. Git index.html. Sorry, we need to add the CSS here. CSS file link. The link, the reference is that is in CSS folder slash styles.css. Right now added in the index.html. These are changes we are done in the forked code. The next we need to push that code to the origin like this by the checking of these things. Git status. The changes is shown. Existing file modified and a new file is added. Folder like CSS. Then add all the changes. If before adding you can see the difference by the git difference, but now already added, so we didn't get any difference. Like git diff is nothing, not coming anything. So git status is those files are added. To commit, you can commit now these changes by the git commit. The message is saying by the -m whatever message you can add, like added CSS. Okay, then that is committed. The next we need to push the code. Git push to origin. Try with the git push. If it is happen, we will go. It is not happen, so we need to go to the git push origin profile. So username, here password is the token given, so that is push it to the origin. You can see the code change. See push it to the code, give the pull request. See here given compare and pull request, we will get like this. See contributors and the upstream contributors main branch is same, that's why we can merge any one of them, but I am choosing contributors. So this is the change. We added CSS file message, and these are the changes we are added, removed from the HTML and added in CSS file. This is the change we done. Generated the given the pull request. See, pull request number is 1. Added CSS 1. So this is the changes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. This is the pull request URL. Thank you.